Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you how to bypass parental controls on your Nintendo Wii. So right here I've got a second-hand Nintendo Wii. I've had this for quite a while and I actually just realised that it's got parental controls on it and I don't actually have the code. I tried like the simple ones like 0001111 and I just couldn't get the code right. So if you guys have this on your Wii and you're not sure what the code is and you want to bypass it, I will be showing you how to do that in this video. So the first thing you want to do is just go over to the Wii settings, which is right here, and then just press A to go onto it. You then want to just go into the Wii settings here. Now in this section you just want to scroll along to the next page and you want to go into parental controls. Now if you're not sure if your Wii has this turned on or not, it's always just worth a check because you never know, if you've got your Wii second hand this might have it on there. So it says change parental controls. Obviously I don't know the code but I'm just going to do yes. It's then asking me for the PIN code, which obviously I don't know, so I'm going to select I forgot. Now it's asking if you could go anywhere, where would you go? Obviously I don't know the security questions they entered, so I'm just going to use I forgot again. Now it's going to give us this confirmation number. So now we need to go onto our PC and enter in this number. Right guys, so I leave a link to this website in the description of this video, and this is the website we will use to get the confirmation code so we can bypass the parental controls. So let's just type in my number now. It was 0598. Obviously this is going to be different for everyone, 1098, exactly like that, and we need to choose the exact date. Now this must be the date that's on your Wii as well, so you must have the date and time set up correctly. Right now it's Sunday the 11th of November, so that is correct, and now you just want to click on get reset code. So apparently my Wii parental controls reset code is 027112, so let's go back onto my Nintendo Wii and just test this out. So once we're finished on our PC, we can now just go on OK. And we need to enter in the master key. So it did come up on our PC screen, so let's just enter in what that was right now. So my one was 02712. And now OK. And OK again. Parental controls has been disabled, so I should be able to click OK and go on parental controls, and you guys can see they should be completely gone. So if I just do yes and then OK and then OK again, it asks me if I would like to, enable it and turn it on and stuff, so I can pretty much just set it up from here. So it says choose a 4-digit pin. So that is how you remove parental controls from your Nintendo Wii. You'd be surprised how many Wiis have this on and people don't even realise. Also guys, if you don't know how to change the date and time, it's just calendar right here. Just press A on that and you can just go on it and change it as you wish and just change it to today's date and the correct time. So that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.